I'm not trying to throw any shade, just so like everybody here knows, like I'm not throwing shade at spending $1 versus spending $3 on a product. You're like clearly gonna go up to the dollar item. Hey guys, today I'm gonna go over the very few things that I like to buy at the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Personally, when I go to the dollar store, I think everybody knows this, they have a very wide selection of things that are useful to organize in your home, especially when it comes to kitchen stuff, especially like if it's food, anything like that. You can find something that will help you organize your kitchen at the Dollar Tree. So the very few things that I honestly have right here are these two containers, and these are the most common ones that I typically find at the Dollar Tree. I have a couple of them in my home already, and they're being used right now actually for like cereal, and like I have one of these filled with sugar, another one filled with coffee, I have some filled with flour, cereal, etc. Like I'm telling you, like these containers can hold anything and everything. Another thing that I do want to mention that I did stumble across the last time that I went to the dollar store, and I went ahead and I bought it because I want to try it. It's one of these acrylic organization cases. I don't know if anyone's ever seen these online, but they're pretty expensive. Like they're a nice pretty penny just for something small like this. I remember buying one that carried like 12 or 10 lipsticks. I have it in my vanity right now, and legit, I'm telling you, that little tiny thing costed me $7 just to hold lipsticks. So for the fact that this was only $1, and it literally carries 1, 2, 3, it carries like, it has like 4 lipstick holders right here technically, and it has like a whole big thing right here, and then it has like this stuff. I want to go ahead and try to see if I could use this in the bathroom. I might want to go ahead and use this for like my face stuff. I have a lot of skincare products, and I think this would be perfect to put everything together. The main reason why I really wanted to show you guys these items is because if you guys watched my moving out video, I do advise a lot of people to go to the dollar store to find kitchen stuff. And this is why. It's because, look, you can find spatulas, you can find like the metal ones too. I just like these because they're better on the pan. These are awesome, non-stick, everything perfect. Another thing are measuring tools. Like I found these are the Betty Crocker ones. They also have food containers from Betty Crocker. They have all sorts of things for food stuff. Like I swear to you, like if I open my cabinets and I just do like a quick run around, like you guys are gonna see all the stuff from the dollar store inside of all my kitchen cabinets. If you guys haven't seen these, you need to let your Dollar Tree know that they need to get them, because these freezer bags are pretty expensive. Every time I go to Walmart, Winn-Dixie, anywhere specifically, I'm being quite frank with you, they're always overly priced. The fact that these are plastic bags that I'm using to store my food, I don't think I should be spending more than $1 for a package of it. And last but not least, this was like the best steal, these decorative plates. Like these nice gold plates right here. I bought these around Christmas time. I bought 4 of them. But like I'm telling you, like these I have found at Z Gallery for $20 for each plate, like, and the exact same color. Like my cousin bought at Z Gallery the exact same plates, except she got her color in silver because she likes silver more. She bought those silver ones on sale for $11 each. $11. I could have bought 11 of these for $11. Like that's my point. Like look at all the items I just showed you guys. Like if you guys still aren't convinced that the dollar store is the place to go, like you guys need to check it out. This is the furniture polish that I like to personally use. This one is the lemon scent one. This is I think this is the only scent that they have, because every time I go to the dollar store I never see any other scent. But this works wonders for me. Like it works exactly the same way Pledge does, and only for a fraction of the cost. So clearly, like, this is a steal compared to Pledge. I'm not trying to throw any shade, just so like everybody here knows, like I'm not throwing shade at that brand, but just telling you, like spending $1 versus spending $3 on a product, you're like clearly gonna go up to the dollar item. The next cleaning supply is Clorox wipes. And this is what they look like. They're like the little 15 one, and I usually store these inside of my glove compartment, like for the inside of my car. Oh, by the way, they also do have like car cleaning supplies at the dollar store, and I have found like everything there. I found like the travel sizes of everything. This is the Dawn. This is the special value that I was talking about. This is half the size of a bottle. Like this is how many ounces? This is 8 fluid ounces. The regular bottle I think comes with 20 fluid ounces, or it's 16. It's 16 or 20. and I'm telling you, like, this is $1. Like, this is actual good quality soap, dishwashing soap, and it's for a freaking $1. And then this is the sponge that I love to use. I think it's the purpose for it though isn't for pans and pots. I'm pretty sure it's for the bathroom. It's supposed to be like a heavy duty sponge that scrapes up against grime. So that's why I use it on on my dirty dishes and stuff. This works wonders because of the little handle. I literally go and it works. Like, it literally like scrubs everything right off. It's so disgusting though. Like, look at that. Okay, so yeah, so if you guys actually like this video, go ahead and click that like button below so you guys can go ahead and let me know that. If not, go ahead and comment below and let me know what you guys didn't like about this video so I can go ahead and change that for the next following videos that I publish. And not only that, if you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and click that button for me. If not, hit the bell so it can go ahead and alarm you guys when I post a new video. And with that being said, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Alrighty then, have a good one. Bye.